Hello audience.
Before we dive into the exact steps to create your account, remember that by default all accounts created on Fiverr are buyer accounts. The difference between a buyer and seller account only takes place if a buyer decides to begin offering services on Fiverr as a seller. This video will assist you in creating a buyer account and will guide you through activating your seller account. Activating your seller account is only available through your desktop. To create an account from Fiverr homepage, click to join. Enter your email address and click to continue. You can also join with Facebook, Google and Apple. Now choose your username, choose your password and click to join. Boom, you are new registered on Fiverr. Please check your registered email address as you will receive an email to activate your account. Within the activation email you receive from Fiverr, click activated your account. Once you have successfully created your account based on the instruction above, you will be able to activate your seller account. To activate your seller account, click on profile picture and select become a seller from the drop down menu. On the page you are redirected to click on become a seller again. In order to start the onboarding process, watch the video to get a guide. Then click continue. Complete the mandatory fields. Be sure to complete your onboarding using only truthful and accurate information regarding your training, working experience and skills. Next, you can choose to link your account to other social media channels. At the end of the onboarding process, you are required to phone verify your account. Your account is ready. Create a gig and start making money. Is there only one freelance marketplace to make money online? Wait for next video. To subscribe, see you soon. Stay tuned.